step into the Ford 2017 F-150 Platinum. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: rear-view camera, rear-view monitor and dash, steering wheel mounted controls, navigation, steering wheel mounted controls, voice recognition controls, blind spot sensor. Memorized settings includes driver seat, memorized settings include steering wheel, navigation system, touch screen display and stability control. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.